Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the marketing coordinator here at TC Hafford Basement Systems. Today I thought I would go around the office and ask some people what they are thankful for after having such a hard year. I just thought it would be nice to kind of reflect on some positives. I'll start off. I'm thankful for having extra time at home to spend with my fiance, start some new hobbies. I'm also thankful that I got to continue working. I know a lot of people couldn't. So let's go see what everybody else has to say.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! During these challenging times, I am very thankful for working for a very large company that's so committed to its customers and its employees. Have a nice holiday season!
This Thanksgiving, I am thankful for my family and all of my TC Hafford family. Have a great holiday.
Hello, I'm very thankful for the successful year we've had, 2020, with all the challenges that we've been through, all the changes that we've experienced. It's been quite a year, and I thank you all very much for participating in 2020. Let's get it over with.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving. First of all, I am thankful that our marketing coordinator keeps chocolate at her desk. And secondly, I am super thankful for our team here at TC Hafford and everything we've done this year despite the obstacles that have been thrown before us. And I'm also thankful for my awesome family. Have a great holiday.
Hi, I'm Kim and I am production CSR.
Hi, I'm Emily and I'm production CSR.
And this is Otis. And we just want to say that we are thankful for so many things. I'm thankful to be working at TC Hafford, and I'm thankful for the foreman and the crew that make my job easy.
I'm thankful for the safety of all of our foremen during these trying times and all of our customers and family.
And Otis and Emily and myself, we'd like to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays.
Happy holidays!